In the last video, I said we was going to South Carolina, but we've run into a little bit of a problem. We're coming down the road, and we got this bridge. It doesn't go the whole way across. It's blocked off. Don't worry. Yeah, so it's like you can't get there from here, right? So, anyway, there's a new bridge right here. We're going to go across it, but I'm going to check something out I thought would be kind of fun. The reflection is going to be bad here. Wait a minute. This isn't working very well. Let's see if we can do this. Because the bridge goes like halfway across the river. And that's the Savannah. That's the Savannah River on there. And if we can get halfway across on foot, this should say, "Welcome to South Carolina," when we get across here. Let's see.
Welcome to South Carolina.
That's kind of funny. All right. But South Carolina is way, it's kind of way over there. Let's walk out and check this bridge out. Better. It's like they use it for a recreation type thing to maybe come fish off of. It does have the fencing on the lower half, so that maybe no small children or dogs can accidentally, I don't know. But that's the Savannah River. Yep, and that is South Carolina over there. Got some graffiti up here that we're not going to look too closely at. Keep this, don't look down. Don't be looking down at, keep this channel family friendly. Oops, I looked down. There's a boat launch over there, or maybe not. It's just the water access, a dock to go fishing. Alright, we're almost at the end. Where could have been, look at all these broken branches coming from. There's not like there's a tree out here for limbs to fall from. Uh-oh, somebody broke the end of the, I know what happened. Somebody broke this fencing so that they could get down on this pier. Probably so maybe they could jump in and go swimming. That's quite a drop. I don't know. And the last pier over there, and they seem to put some sort of power structure over there. Maybe the power company. I don't know. Alright, so anyway, we're getting ready to head up the road. And about 20 miles to the north, they're up there somewhere near, forget the name of the town, but we might just stay at a Cracker Barrel tonight along, I think, Interstate 65, I believe, and have a look around, see what we're up to next, what the next leg is going to bring. Maybe odd roadside oddities and just points of interest, places to stop and just hang out. Need a boat and a fishing pole. Right. Yeah, this had to be only been a one-lane bridge. Yeah, that's not like wide enough to be for 2 lanes of traffic. It's just not. Wow, yeah, it'd be a narrow bridge, that's for sure. Anyway, we're gonna get back up here to the Coachmen, get on our ways.
Take the next right onto US 29 North.
You're not going to believe this. After much searching in the general area of affordable campgrounds, just before leaving Georgia, I looked at my maps
on US 29 North for 1 mile.
And a place kind of just appeared all of a sudden. And it's probably going to be too good to be true. The Army Corps of Engineer facility right up here on the left. only 10 bucks a night. It's gonna be right here on the river or on the lake. If there's any spots available, I would be extremely surprised. Get up here and find out. Okay, it's below this dam down here, and I don't know what makes me nervous camping below a dam. The chances of dam failure are extremely slim, but it just, you know, it happens. So, okay, fishing pier.
Take the next right. Your destination will be on the left.
Campground and picnic area. Now, the only thing, the other campgrounds in the area are expensive, but I think they're up around the lake where you go boating and swimming and a view of the lake. So this is at the creek or the river, part of the Savannah River that's below the dam, and this would be more desirable for fishermen because fishing's good on the outflow of dams. Fishing's generally really good. So we'll see if this works. Okay, I don't know why. I don't know why the gate would be closed. I don't know why they have I don't know why the campground's closed. Welcome to Georgia River Campground. $10 per night, 14-day limit. All campers must register at Fee Vault. And look how nice this is. A nice wooded area. Back right in there. There's a picnic table right there. I mean, get back straight in there. Get back in there to there. A fire ring, a lantern post, a picnic table. This is site number 2. Look, the garbage cans here, and even has a garbage bag in it. Looks like someone's been tearing at it though. Why would this? It's a shame it's closed. Nice paved road nice paved road going in. Site number 3 on the left. Same thing. A nice pull in, a garbage can, a fire ring, and a picnic table. That actually looks like a big pull through spot. You can see where it comes up through there, and it just goes back through the woods. What a lovely place. Huh. It was too good to be true. I ought to love this state here. Alright, so it looks like and I've researched so many other places in the area and kind of give up on it. Maybe something's around, I just wasn't able to come up with it. Pretty expensive to stay up around the lake. So, looks like we are off to Camp Cracker tonight. Okay, it was too good to be true. It was, there's couple nice little, well, at least a nice little picnic area here. This would be awesome for day use. There's a parking area back there where we put the Coachmen and a picnic table, a barbecue grill, and a little deck here to get the fish from. The water looks nice and clear. And there's a matching one over on the other side. I can see the same thing, a deck. There's a garbage can, probably a picnic table too, I'm sure. But that's it. There's that one little spot. We'll pass it again on the way out, and it's like, yeah, can't put the bounder down there. I mean, did I say the bounder? The Coachmen. Well, I haven't made that slip in a long time. I just made an observation. Sitting here just looking at the very clear water, and I noticed some cut stone, and it's perfectly square. There's one up there. There's another one over in here. I can't see it there. And I'm thinking, why would good cut stone be down in the water? And then I thought about, wait a minute, that matching fishing pier over there, there's this one, and there's one directly across. And I figured, you know what, this was the old bridge. An old bridge probably before they built that one. Because there's a road that goes from that one, there's a road that goes from this one, you know, where they put the park down here. So I'll bet every so often there was a pier and another pier and probably another pier across there. I bet if you went out and canoed out in the middle there somewhere, you would see more areas that had more cut stone where each pier was. They probably knocked down, and I don't know, it's just an observation. I bet that's what these opposing fishing platforms are. Well, it looks like we're gonna, for a minute there I thought we're still not gonna make it out of Georgia, but we are. It looks like we're gonna go across the new bridge and get over to South Carolina, and I think it's gonna be Camp Cracker tonight. Yeah, and being below a dam, of course, it says danger, water subject to sudden rise and turbulence. They go suddenly decide to start releasing water out of the dam, and I guess they sound an alarm, a siren whenever they decide to do that. And there's, I think there's signs to retreat, you know. If they planned a big outpouring, I'm sure rangers would come down here, make sure everybody was evacuated. All right, we're gonna get out of here. I know, girl. That would have been so nice and peaceful. I really like those kind of campgrounds that are so wooded like that. Just, you know how some campgrounds go, this nice and wooded. Seems like you really got away. There's that site. This is probably, you know, like day use only, picnic tables. There's no way you could camp down there.
In 600 feet, turn left.
Okay, here we go, across the Savannah River. And we should get that message for a second time. Where is it? You know, the part that says welcome to South Carolina. Huh. I didn't get the message on my phone. Yep, and there's the lake up here.